Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever you are in the world. You are very, very welcome on this weekly webinar. Now, for those of you who are new, and I think that I see a lot of names that I don't recognize on the list, we do this webinar every week to update people and to give the news of what's going on. And it's kind of turned into the weekly pulse beat of Leo, the weekly heartbeat that goes out, and we've done this for 7 years now. More often than not, yours truly does it, Dan Anderson, the CEO in these parts, and it's very, very nice to be here on the call. Now, I see that we have an extraordinary amount of people on this webinar, and then they're from all over the world. I think there's probably close to 50 countries represented here, what have you, which is very, very nice, because we are a national business, and we are a multi-dimensional business, I was going to say, but multicultural, like you would not believe. Sometimes I get a little bit too excited and my English goes very, very fast, but that's because I've got a lot to be excited about. Now, this week's agenda is very, very short and sharp, because we are just over a week out from the cruise, the Momentum cruise in Hong Kong and the South China Sea, which I'm very, very much looking forward to. So we're going to talk a little bit about that, a little bit of update on the 10-10-10. There's some announcements you have to do, but this webinar will be concluded in probably 10-15 minutes. It's kind of one of those, because we are working on some very, very big things to do with resetting the business. On the cruise ship, we will have over 500, 600 people from all of our major markets, and I can't wait to share with you some of the ideas that have come out of some realizations that I've had over the last year and a half of where the business needs to go. And I don't want to sound too melodramatic or anything, but we are in a very, very good place where we're resetting the business to where it needs to be before we surge forward into our greatest growth and our greatest future that is starting from the 21st of September. Now, for those of you who are going on the cruise, like I say, there's only 11 days until we set sail, and you need to update us. You need to update your flight details by the Friday, the 13th of September, to make sure that we can cover your airport transfers and what have you, and get you to the ship, especially for those of you who are flying in from abroad. It's very, very important just to make life simple for you. There will also be some emails about the cruise coming out this week. And, of course, any questions that you have, you can address directly to events@welcometoleo.com. But this is kind of the big one for me. This is when we can pull all of the leaders together into one platform, one area where I can address the troops, if you like, and our wonderful leaders, and share with them where we're taking the business next. And that's a combination of going back to our core business and rekindling our purpose and getting back into some of the things that we know we've always wanted to do, but for various nefarious reasons we're not able to do. So fine. So that's kind of the focal point now, and the corporate teams are working very, very hard to pull together lastminute.com stuff. And it's kind of an exciting place. It's kind of buzzing a little bit around us. Now, the 10-10-10 is part of the landscape as well at the moment. We're doing some phenomenal numbers around the 10-10-10 people, and there's lots of new people probably on this call, and you are very, very welcome to Leo. Your task as a new person is to learn as much as you can about Leo and understand what we're about, understand our philosophy, understand how we are different, and understand why we as a business, after 7 years, despite many challenges like any business will face, we are still here, still fighting, still slogging away and going and achieving great, great things. Because as we go forward, we deal with all the challenges that a business deals with. The same as any new person coming into Leo will have to face challenges and challenges and difficulties and learning curves and having to restart your business many times over. Now, step one is to join the business for free, get a £10 free gift. Step two is to become a team builder. You can then upgrade and become a fully participating member. and ultimately to build and duplicate a leadership model. This model is working to the tune of thousands of people joining Leo every week, and it's just absolutely phenomenal what's going on. And we're starting to see duplication in markets where we have leadership structure and where we have people working. And anyone who's been in direct selling for any period of time, they understand that direct selling is about duplication, which means that direct selling is about training, which means that direct selling is about leaders passing on the torch to other people who then pass on, who pass on, who pass on. So, fine, that's where we are on that. The main thing that I want you to understand is that the future that Leo has is built around building a big community now. All of the stuff starts to work with Leo Coin and with some of the ecosystem that we have. All of that is built on duplication of a vast member community. And this is kind of the thing that is the effort, the lever, and the spark. And the bigger our community, the greater the success we'll have in every project that we do. Now, we are also giving you the announcement here that the Bronze Rank Award has now finished, and this is no longer part of what you can sell. I'm glad for so many of you that took advantage of this. The same on LMS exchanges. As we go into the reset of the Leo business, these products that you see on your screen here now, LMS exchanges and LMS AX, will be discontinued from Friday the 20th of September. That means that if you've got people who are engaged with this, if you've got a business building method that involves these products, this is the time to promote and push them. We will obviously have products that are in this landscape in the future, but they will not be as generous as these things have, because we now have to start to move forward and not we have to protect the Leo Coin economy, if I just put it that way. So they will be discontinued from Friday the 20th of September, so that's not this Friday, but the coming Friday. So this is your last chance to be moving these products into the market. The call to action on this very, very short and sharp webinar is get ready for the Momentum Cruise if you're going there. If you're not going there, just be ready for the news that will come out of that. Upload your flight details if you haven't done that bit of housekeeping. Work the 10 to 10 program, because this is part of our business landscape now and forever. And this is your last chance to purchase and market the LMS exchanges. So that is really all I want to do today, because I have to get back and work on some of the things around the big reset that's coming. But you will like it. And there's some very, very cool things happening. Just in our moment of greatest challenges and greatest test, that's when we've always been supported by whatever forces that be that are out there in terms of creativity, in terms of launching new things. That's when it all comes together in the last minute. And that's what I see happening again here now. So this is Dan Anderson saying thank you very much indeed for being on this call. Thank you very much indeed for being with Leo and for your loyalty and for your hard work. None of this happens without the support of members in 50, 100, 150 countries around the world. At the moment, some of the markets that we're seeing great sales in are markets that we had no idea even existed when we started Leo. And we're seeing this great geographical spread on everything that we're doing, which tells me that we're on the right track in terms of building our multicultural, multinational business community. And this is the stuff that stories will be told about later, when we have really done something remarkable, something new that has never been done before in any direct selling business. Leo will be leading the way on that. So this is Dan Anderson saying thank you very much indeed, and I look forward to speaking to you next Monday, the 16th of September, and we'll be giving you some teasing information there from some of the things that will be revealed on the Great China Sea Cruise, the Momentum Cruise. So this is me saying over and out. Thank you very much indeed, and I'll speak to you next week.